Hello, my name is Shravani Datta. This video contains forensic science important sections in Indian Penal Code 1860 Part 8, and the topic is remaining section of the right of private defense written by Divya Porwal, which are 102 and 105. Let's start. We will see both the sections in a different form so it is easy to understand. Firstly, section 102 says that commencement and continuance of right of private defense of the body, so on the heading name it declare that is related to the body D, and section 105 says that commencement and continuation of the right of private defense of property it denotes about property. So this is first main difference between 102 and 105. In bare act language, 102 section says that the right of private defense of the body commences as soon as reasonable apprehension of danger to the body arises from an attempt or threat to commit the offence, though the offence may not have been committed, and it continues as long as such apprehension of danger to the body continue. And in 105, the right of private defense of property commences when a reasonable apprehension of danger to the property commences. The right of private defense of property against the theft continues till the offender has effected his threat with the property, or either the assistance of the public authorities is obtained or the property has been recovered. And again, robbery continues as long as of offender causes or attempts to cause to any person death or hurt or wrongful restraint, or as long as the fear of instant death or of an instant hurt or instant personal restraint continues. And against criminal trespass or mischief continues as long as the offender continues in the commission of the criminal trespass of mischief. And last one is against house breaking by night continuous as long as the house trespass which has been begun by such house breaking continuous. So that's all for the video, and I hope it's clear for you all, and if you have any doubts please comment in the comment section. Thank you.